Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a serene forest scene. A small bird perches on a branch, its tiny body trembling with grief. A rabbit hops into view, its nose twitching as it notices the distressed bird. The rabbit asks with concern, "Little bird, why are you crying?" The bird cries, "My nest is broken, and now I have no place to live." In a sun-drenched forest clearing, a rabbit sits upright, its nose twitching with anticipation. The rabbit declares, "Don't worry, we will all work together to build a new nest for you." Nearby, a squirrel and a deer stand close by, their eyes fixed on an unseen threat. With unwavering resolve, the animals begin gathering sticks and leaves, united in a shared mission. Sunlight dances through the canopy, casting a golden glow upon a clearing where the forest's inhabitants convene. The animals proudly display a beautifully crafted nest to the little bird. The nest, a testament to their love and effort, stands as a cozy haven. With sparkling eyes, the little bird hops excitedly, expressing its gratitude to its friends. The little bird proclaims, "You all shared my sorrow. I will never forget you."